Hey, feeling good, like I should. When in dark, I walk around the neighborhood.
Welcome guys, this is Certified Genius, and today what we're going to be doing is radians and degrees. Now this topic is a bit hard only because there's like a lot of conversions between the two, pi, angles, radians, whatnot. But you know, on a calculator when it says radians, degrees, there's a conversions between the two, and we're going to learn that today by hand. I also want to thank my viewers out there and my subscribers. We got plus 121 views last month, plus 6 subscribers, and 1 person shared it, and I'm very proud of that, and I want to thank the people that view my videos. This is awesome. But with that being said, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on those post notifications for when I film new videos. And with that being said, let's get into the video. So we're going to start off with simple angles. 90-degree angle, we know half of 90 degrees is 45 degrees, which is shown here. And then a full circle, we know, is 360 degrees. But what's something other than degrees? There's something called a radian. And a radian is an angle that subtends an arc. And if you want to find out what an arc is, you could go look at Khan Academy, look it up on Google, you got multiple resources. And subtends basically means that an angle, like subtends, like let's say this is our angle, and then this is our arc. An angle subtends an arc, and an arc subtends an angle. I'm pretty sure you get what I'm saying. You get the groove. So, yeah. And basically, a radian, 1 radian, equals an angle that subtends an arc, which equals our radius. That means that theta, our angle, is going to equal 1 radian. Yeah, 1 radian. And the arc itself is the length of the radius of our circle. And as you can see in our example, I have it all written down. This is our radius, this is the same length, and this is our arc, which is the same length, and our angle theta. Alright, so you're probably asking how many radians are in an entire circle? Well, what's the circumference of a circle? The whole thing. Well, if we think about it, we learned this in in middle school, maybe high school, that the circumference of a circle is 2 pi r, or to say it in simple terms, 2 times pi times r, which r is the radius. So that means that the amount of radians in a whole circle is 2 pi radians, or 2 times pi times radian, 2 pi radians. It's pretty easy when you think about it. So now that we knew that 2 pi radians equals 360 degrees, 1 radian in the whole 360 degrees, see down here, 1 radian in the whole 360 degrees is going to be 360 degrees divided by 2 pi. And then times pi again, which is going to equal 180 degrees pi. 1 degree is going to equal 2 pi over 360 radians, which equals pi over 180 radians. So I think that's pretty simple. I don't know, but if you want a more detailed explanation, you could go check out Khan Academy. They have some really good explanations on there. And yeah. So now I'm going to get into examples and parts. So for part 1, let's say we have 45 degrees and we don't know the radians. Well, let's think about it. 45 degrees is going to have to equal 45 times pi over 180 radians. If we really think about this and we want to convert it, we have to times that number by what we're converting it to, because we already have our original conversions. We already did our original conversions previously on the last page. So it was 45 times pi over 180 radians, which is going to equal pi over 4 radians, if that makes sense. And if it doesn't make sense, 45 pi divided by 180 equals pi over 4 radians. Now we're going to have pi over 2 radians. And how we're going to do that is simple. Do not tell me I just forgot how to do this. I'm recording like you love me. Okay. Let me check this out. Never mind. I remember how to do it, y'all. So, pi over 2 radians equals how many degrees? Well, what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to convert from radians to degrees. And on the previous page, we put that 1 radian equals 360 over 2 pi, which equals... Oh my god, my wrist. Which equals 180 over pi degrees. So that means that since on the last one we multiplied 45 by pi over 180, since we were converting it to radians, now that we're converting it to degrees, we're going to multiply pi over 2 radians, and we're going to multiply 180 over pi. And what you're going to get out of this equation is 90 degrees. And that's as simple as the topic gets. Hopefully, I gave you a lot of simplification when doing this video. And you can try doing some examples on your own and see if this helps you. And with that being said, that is the end of this video. Make sure, again, that you like this video and subscribe to this channel. And turn on those post notifications. I hope this helped you guys, and I hope you have a great day. Peace.